So this is euro dollar analysis for Wednesday, the 12th of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices test the 1612, pull back down towards the 1578, broke above the 1612, didn't quite get towards that 1650 or even that 1660 that we were looking at here. We were looking for prices up towards that 1660. What we did instead see is we did turn around in around that 1643, had the sell side momentum come back into the market down towards the 1578, retested 1612 with that confluence of a 200 and 400 period moving averages, and we've rejected that 1612, had prices come back down towards this 1578, trade as low as the 1570s here, from which we have seen that bullish buy side momentum come back into this market. So if we do see this momentum follow through, are looking for a test of this area of confluence in around the 200, 400 period moving average and the 1612. If we can break and hold that level, we would then look for price head up towards our 1660. And if there is sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 1660 here to the upside, we'll then look for price head up towards that 1710 here on the euro dollar. Now, if we do turn around from where we are at present, or if we do reject from that area of confluence of the 200 and the 400, the 200 and the 400 period moving average, we're looking for a retest of 1578, successful break from which we then look at test the 1554, and if there is sufficient volatility to the downside to bring us beyond the 1554, the very next level of the note to move down towards its 115. In the past, we have found support. Let's just see where that is. In around that 1530. So we have found support on two such occasions around 1530. But if we do successfully navigate across our previous lows, again, we're looking for a test of that 115 here on the euro against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. Get a scale on here correct. So on this daily chart, we can see we've had a pullback from 1728, brief recovery, tested 1660, rejected, had price come down towards the 1530s, and we've had this bullish momentum come pretty close towards a test of that 1660. We kind of rejected that 1660 as indicated by this wick. Did close the day bullish, however, found support in around that 1578. So we'll see if we do head back up for another test of that 1660 here on the euro dollar, and if we do successfully navigate that 1660 from a daily chart perspective, the very next level of significance is around at 1728 here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.